Hi, let us quickly see the exam review, MAT exam, which happened on 31st May 2025. It is a PBT mode, paper-based test. There is no surprise. Mostly, it is all the same pattern like the previous exams, like the March and the December attempt. But let us have a quick review. There is one thing which you have to notice and prepare accordingly. Watch the video for that. Okay, so language comprehension is the first section as usual. So it has two passages, and the passages were easy passages, had 8 to 10 questions. Para jumble, some of them said 3 and some said 5 questions. Idioms, 3 questions. Vocabulary, about it varies, like synonyms were 3, antonyms were 3, most of them said like that. So about 10 questions were tested. The difficulty level of this section is easy to moderate. It's easy section, in fact. Language comprehension, most of them said it is a easy section. And similarly, the critical reasoning also, there is no change at all. Like in the previous two attempts, it was the easy section where students can score only from these two sections mainly. Okay, so for getting the score, for improving the score, focus on these two sections mainly, and you can answer many number of questions also in these two sections compared to the remaining 3. Okay, and first it was seating arrangement type of questions, and then they had some questions for directions, blood relations, okay, like that. Okay, so it's all nothing new, it's all as expected, like I have explained in the previous videos and all. The critical reasoning had the same structure, same type of topics tested. Okay, moving to the next one, data interpretation and sufficiency. This has DS 5 questions only, and comparing quantities 5 questions exactly. Most of the students said that they focused only these 10 questions they were able to answer easily, and then moved to the graphs. So in graphs, most of the graphs had 1 or 2 diagrams. Okay, like any kind of diagram were there, like a line graph, bar graph, anything was there. It was moderate to difficult level. Coming to the next one, before moving to the next two sections, if you're planning for 2026 MBA, okay, then you have to focus on MAT. Coming August or September is the exam. Okay, you have to focus on this exam, because the next MAT exam will be in December, where most of the students will have your semester exams. Okay, so it is better you start preparing now and take the August and September attempt. If you get a good score, it's really great. By December, colleges will open the applications. You can apply for the first round. You can go for the interview and secure seats quickly. Okay, so don't wait for MAT December attempt. Okay, because most of the colleges have semester exams during this time. Okay, so it's better you complete it by August and September itself, and for that you have to start your preparation now. We have a comprehensive course going on. If you need details, you can reach out to us. Now coming to the next two sections. So 31st May 2025 MAT PBT exam review. Mathematics skills, as expected, it is moderate to high difficult level only, and the arithmetic topics were tested. Some of the specific topics tested is pipes and systems, speed, distance, work time, profit and loss ratios questions were there more. Geometry, just 2 to 3 questions were there. If at all, if you're planning to take the next MAT exam, I mean the next attempt itself, which is on 8th June. Okay, if you want to focus on quickly review, you can review these chapters, include percentages, include averages also, and include mixtures also. Okay, right. Don't practice for geometry and all, because it is just 2-3 questions. Ignore that. There were some probability questions also, but however, you can focus only on the arithmetic topics. The surprise was exactly in the 5th section, which almost all the students said, whoever I have reached out to, they have said it is a high difficulty level. The current affairs were very difficult, and last 1 year current affairs were tested. Even last 2024 current affairs, because usually it is 1 year current affairs being tested. 2024 questions were also there, and most of the questions were involved numbers. Okay, so numbers, statistics were highly tested. Okay, so you have to focus and you have to prepare more for this particular section. It is very difficult. Okay, and almost whoever have shared their review, they said they were able to answer only maximum 10 questions in this, 8 to 10 questions. That's all. Okay, so this is a surprise. Actually, it is not a surprise. We know that it is current affairs, but the difficulty level of this section is a surprise. Okay, and apart from the exam review, you have the next attempt. You can see here it is 8th June. Okay, and 2nd June is the registration closes. This is a CBT mode. CBT mode, you have more time. PBT is very difficult because you have to shade the ovals. It takes time. For CBT, you can have that extra time. The shading is not there, so you easily get 15-20 minutes more. So you can focus preparing, or if at all you want to register, 2nd June is the last date. And result for this exam, that is May, this attempt, MAT May attempt, you can see here in the official website, they have mentioned it. You can see here, before 3rd week of June, you will be getting the result. August or September MAT exam test takers, it's high time you start your preparation. You can reach out to us if you need support in that case. Thank you. Bye.